I enjoy suffering. Major lesson to be learned when you are moving back to campus and putting stuff in storage when you're about to move out to campus. Make a list of what you want to keep and don't keep. Don't be like me and absolutely totally forget everything that you brought, because I'm literally looking through this box and actually finding things that I thought that I brought home. Yeah. Go me. Essentially my entire desk down. Basically I set it up for no reason because it's time to put on the desk wallpaper. I had this on last semester. Completely changed the whole atmosphere of my room. So I want to go ahead and do that now before school starts, because once school starts I'm going to be completely swamped with homework, assignments, and responsibilities. Because I don't know this is regular tape. I don't know. right now. You probably can't even see my face, but I have that banana light on. It's pretty darn bright, but it's literally like 3:30 in the morning. Monday is the start of classes, and that's when I really have to start prepping for school, so we'll see y'all tomorrow. So next day, I've transformed my room a little bit. It's not crazy or anything, but I wanted to get some of the decor up because I just cannot stand looking at these bare white walls anymore. I got groceries! And I'm so excited because I didn't have any food to eat yesterday or Friday. Eating is a normal part of a teenage boy's growth. And yes, I still call myself a teenage boy even though I'm 19. I guess that's just the perks of having a baby face. God, this freezer is disgusting. What the heck happened? Look at me. Help me. We got a package. I think it's been about a week since I last filmed. Only because college has officially swamped me. Oh, if you don't know what's in this crazy little contraption, it's a two-top table. I've waited 2.5 weeks for this to come, and it was supposed to come, I think, earlier, like last Tuesday, and it didn't even come till this Tuesday, so that's fun. Let's get setting this up. Like, hey, like, I think it's sturdy enough, like, at least, like, put it to the wall.
Yeah. Where are you gonna put it?
Like, I was gonna put it here.
I'm gonna take off these end caps.
Oh, yeah.
Back here.
Going. Yep. Finally got this done. It's only because of Haley, otherwise I would not be able to assemble this. it.